what we are going to cover in our whole syllabus. I am going to discuss first the syllabus. Okay, right? So what is our content? So this is what completely 100% online training session, software testing training. Okay, so notes, notes and every stuff materials and video tutorials I will provide. Okay, don't worry, everything I will provide. Okay, and project documentations, whatever the live projects we are going to cover, so everything I will provide you. So this is what open card project and all this documentation, how uh, the testing team works in the IT industry, each and everything knowledge I will provide you. Okay, don't worry about this one. So software testing training session, and these sessions I am going to divide into the two parts. Okay, that is manual testing and automation testing. Yeah, this is manual and automation. So there are the two types of this uh, testing performed in the IT industry. Okay, so manual testing and automation testing. So for the manual testing, no coding knowledge is required. No coding knowledge is required. For automation, it's required coding, right? And as a tester, we are not going to write a code like a developer. Okay, so don't take any tension for the automation testing. So I am the guy, I will give the full and final knowledge about the automation testing, so you will really love the coding. Okay, so we are not going to write a more complex code, easy code. Okay, don't worry. So the manually we have to test the application in the manual testing, manually test the software. Okay, in automation testing means we have to test the software by writing the some code, means we have the some tool, software tools, so that perform the some operations automatically. In manual testing we have to test the application manually. For example, let us go to the any website. So this is one of the website. Okay, so here I have to test this manually. Okay, so whether this form is working properly or not. So we have to write here the something data, right? So how it is performed manually? We are writing, entering the data as a manually. Okay, here manually we are entering. But what happen? The same things we can perform by automation tool. Okay, so here we have written the code. So in Eclipse or any IDE, so we are giving the some information. Okay, that's a coding and it will be performed automatically, so by using the some software, that is known as automation testing. Okay, we are performing manually, that is manual testing, and it is performing by the by writing the code or any other tool, that is automation testing. Okay, so we are testing the application, okay, whether it is working as per the client requirement or not. Testing the application means we are just going to test the application whether it meets the client requirement or not. Okay, that is testing. So in IT industry there is a product and there must exist the testing. Without testing we can't get the product. That may be the medical product, daily needs product, software product, bike, car and everything, right? Without testing the product will not be completed. Okay, so testing is more important. So we have the lot of use opening for the tester in the IT industry, because they develop the application that is in the crores. Okay, US dollars means so many millions and billions applications available. So they test the application, they require a proper tester, manual tester as well as automation tester. So without testing the application is not possible. That's why the tester has, there is a development, there is a requirement of the tester. Okay, so never end the product, never end the software, so there is a no end of the testers, right? There is a no end of the tester, so that is tester is always required. Okay, so the manual testing and automation testing, these two parts we are going to cover. Okay, so in the manual testing, what are the techniques we are going to cover? Let us I am going to discuss here. Okay, manual testing in IT industry, how it is work, okay, and how the software development life cycle it's work. So everything I will cover step by step. So I will speak in a very little English, okay. So yeah. So whenever you not understand, so just you can tell me what you not understand, okay. I'm not fluent in English. Okay, due to okay, and you can ask me anytime, huh? Yeah. So knowledge gaining is important. Understanding is more important. Okay. Yeah. 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 So you can use their subtitle in English so you can understand. Ah, that both language I am using there, English as well as Hindi. Hmm. Yeah. No, Indian students are there. No, lot of are speaking in Hindi. That's why. Oh my God! Wow, great, great. Ah, great, great, good, good. Yeah, very good. So, okay, let's come to the topic. So, and the manual testing, what we are going to cover. So, manual testing, we are going to cover all the 100% concept of the manual testing. Okay, 100% concept from the up to manual testing. So, my guarantee is that after learning this manual testing, you can claim yourself as a 0 to 5 year experience as a manual tester. Okay. Yeah, you can get the job. As a, only if you know the manual testing, also there is a huge requirement of the manual tester. And in the USA, there is a requirement, always requirement having the manual testing more. Okay, you know Naukri.com. Have you used the Naukri.com? Okay, so this is worldwide, but it's India's use having the more manual tester. Okay, use this keyword and you can find more jobs for the manual tester. Okay, manual tester with LOS. Okay, manual tester everywhere. Airtel. Okay, manual tester JPLT Capgemini. These are MNC's company. Everywhere manual tester is required 2 to 5 years, right? IGT 4 to 5 year experience. Okay, location anywhere. And this we have in for the India. You know the all the IT clients are from USA, Germany, Japan, uh, South Africa. Okay, most of the uh, countries we set up our IT office at India. That's why huge Indian get the job in the IT industry because we are working for the US client. Yes, that's why. So as per the US requirement, we have to work. You know, one of the yeah, we are taking one KI system, yeah, and Advanced Assure. That Advanced Assure, do you know Advanced Assure? Okay, so he provide Medicaid and Mediclaim. So in insurance level project, we are going to discuss that one because I am taking the insurance project, USA based. Yeah, that is electronic payment pair and Medicaid and Medicare, how it is billing enrollment. We have to discuss because I'm going to give you that project, so you have to mention in your resume. Okay, so only manual tester we have the huge opening. And do you have any job website for USA so that I can go through here? Can you spell out? Okay, recruit. Yeah, yeah, yes. So that is most used in USA, right? Openings, yeah. So just I am writing the keywords here. So yeah, manual tester. Okay, location Texas. That is the no problem about the location, but most of the using work from home. Okay, so they are asking for login because then search manual tester. Okay, yeah, now we are getting that one. Yeah. So manual testing with the Japanese certification and QA manual tested. Okay, everything. So here is the Indian location is giving. So but you have to work from your office, means your location. Don't worry. You are getting here the opening in India, but that is the same thing. No problem. Do you mind click on a description, the job descriptions? Let me see. Okay, let us go to the QA manual tester, and you can check the job what we required. Agile Scrum. You can understand the understanding project document, customer demand, product objective to create and execute a test case. What is test cases? I will cover. Don't worry. Understanding the flow, code, understanding the code. No need to write the code. Okay. In manual testing, no need to write the code. Then different components help improve product documentation by pointing out manual regression, that is covering bug failure. Okay, how we are going to find a bug, how to find a bug and everything. Okay, deep drive, manage all manual test cases. Okay, we have to write the test cases. That's it. Require 2 3 year experience. The manual uh, testing, what kind of tools do we use? Yeah, we use the Jira tool for writing the test cases and test scenario. The execution of the test cases we maintain in the Jira. I thought the manual sometimes they use that. Yeah, QT. Some that is depend upon the industry, because once you get in the industry, then they will give you the training. They will provide you the tools in which tool you have to work. As a training point of view, you can simply say, I know this tool. As a Jira, I know. Okay, you can simply say that one. Yeah. So here can check good experience in manual testing e-commerce domain. Okay, e-commerce domain is mandatory there. 2 to 3 year experience. Okay, like this way we have a lot of openings. Okay, so yeah, that is no important for writing the code and everything. So that's why in India, use non-IT background candidates are going to uh, switch, yeah, manual testing or testing. Okay, so now in the manual testing, we are covering this 100% of the manual testing concept for important to get the job in IT. Okay, so here the methodology that we are going to use, which is agile. Okay, that is agile. It's a SDLC process, that is software development life cycle. So 90% IT industry use this one. Okay, agile process. So that's why we are also going to cover agile process, and that follows the Scrum framework. Scrum. Okay, so because Scrum framework is more popular, let us go and I'm going to see that one where these keywords are using here. Okay, so just I'm using the Scrum Master or everything. Yeah, Scrum Master, and just I'm going to check here description. Okay, so leader of the Scrum team. Yeah, project guidance and everything. Okay, so the Scrum is very important. That is a framework. Okay, so I'm going to cover that one. So Agile Scrum. As a tester, we should have to know this one. Actually, I'm writing here QA tester. Okay, QA engineer, or you can say the QA engineer. All are same, huh? QA engineer, QA analyst, all are same. Okay, and search QA engineer. Okay, manual tester, QA engineer, all are same. Most of the vacancies are shown in India. Maybe it goes by IP address wherever you search. Yeah, that may be things. Yes, correct. Only USA can you take this one. Location United. It's not giving you change. So can you mention here other state, New York? Yeah, it's not on the drop down at all. It's not showing. New Delhi, it's showing that India's location. Texas. It's taking my IP address. That's why. That's why. Yeah, as per my location. Yeah. Okay, that is no problem, but that is totally same. Okay, so now you can check here web application testing or mobile testing and something MySQL. Okay, test cases, Postman. Okay, that is also we are going to cover. Don't worry. Okay, so don't take any tension about this one. Okay, I'm going to cover everything, right? And this, yeah. Again, one job portal is there that is for London, means UK. Job something. I'm going to show you that one also. Found it, Monster is uses there. Monster. Okay, so that is a rename as a found it, huh? Yeah, because that is takeover and this is known as a found it. Yeah, Texas. Okay. Any location can you provide from USA city? That is not taking Texas. Yeah, yeah. Okay, can you right now? Yeah, okay. You can share. Just we are going to check everything for job opening from your side. Okay. What responsibility they are going to asking. Yeah. Yes, yes. I have given permission. Yeah. Yes, yes. Manual tester, QA engineer, QA analyst, all are same. Huh? Whatever this pop-up are showing, you can take this one, no problem. Yeah, yeah, this all are same, no problem. You can write type your location. That is location is more important. That is showing, yeah, Capgemini, Infosys. This is all Infosys, Tech Mahindra, SCL. That all are Indian MNCs, and this showing all Indian, Indian. Yeah, why showing Indians? Hmm. Yeah, manual tester, quality assurance engineer, quality tester. Yeah, yeah, good, good, good. Yeah, you can check this one responsibility. May I know your name? Slim, Slim, Sim. Okay, Sim. Yes. See the responsibilities. Slim. Yeah, good. Okay, yes, good. Hmm. Uh, just scroll up and you can check there. Scroll up again. Strong SQL knowledge. Okay. Again, scroll up. Don't down. Up. Scroll up. Yeah. Just wait. We are looking to hire manual tester with 6+ experience, at least 4-year experience hands on the web application testing. Fast-paced, driven public sector. Enhance. Okay. Expand database SQL. Okay, that is okay. REST API. Okay, that is okay. Okay. Now scroll down. Okay, little bit. And they are asking about the ALM. So we are covering the Jira. Okay, experience using the Jira. You can check the third bullet. We are covering the Jira. That is enough. Okay, that is enough. Then Linux. Okay, that is no problem. Agile methodology. Can you see? Candidate must have the project experience with Agile methodology. Can you see that one? No, fourth or fifth bullet. Candidate must have. Just wait. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Yeah, agile methodology. Correct. So that is very important. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that is okay. Okay, scroll down. Again, scroll down. Main things I am going to covering here. Okay, that is very important. Strong analytical. Okay, down. Okay, once again down. Once again down. Okay, so here you can check STLC, software testing life cycle. Okay, that is also we are going to cover. Okay. Yeah, that is the legacy database warehousing. Okay, so some of the that is not covering. Okay, but because every company that using the different terminology and methodology. Yeah, if you know this manual test, you can also apply for this position, no problem. After completion of this manual testing, you can apply for this position also, right? So most important. So okay, so can I share my screen now? So we are going to continue. Okay, just I'm sharing. Okay, now visible. Okay, so the manual. Okay, and don't call me sir. You can call me Gunwant. Okay. Yeah, Gunwant. You can call. This is my name. Okay. Okay. Bacha. Gunwant. Bacha means a small kid. You can say Mister. You can say buddy, bro. You can say bro. No problem. You can say bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. You can say bro. Don't worry. Okay. We have to learn this one. You can understand most more thing. You can keep in your mind more thing. Yeah. So we are covering agile methodology and Scrum framework. Okay. So that is most important. Okay. So now then what we are going to cover once I'm going to write here. The tool which is used for writing the defect, reporting the defect, or tracking the defect, that is what Jira tool. And Jira is the complete project management tool which follows Scrum. Okay, Scrum framework, Jira tool. So we are going to cover the Jira tool. So for optional, some companies are using HPLM. Okay, HPLM, this tool is also used, and both are same, no problem. But you can simply say I know Jira. Okay, you can say I know Jira because in our company we are using this Jira tool for defect reporting and tracking. Okay, so these are the some things we are going to cover in this manual testing, Jira, and so the project domain knowledge. Okay, So insurance project and e-commerce domain knowledge and banking and finance. Okay, so this documentation means this project knowledge we are going to cover here, and this manual testing we will cover with the 30 days. Okay, 25 to 30 days, 25 within the 25 to 30 days, and with uh, mock also, mock interview. If you need mock interviews, if you have any doubt session, okay, so I can provide. Yeah, mock interviews I will provide, don't worry. Okay, and with this one you can ready to apply for the manual testing engineer. Okay, so you can see the post QA engineer, okay, QA analyst, tester, manual tester, okay, quality analyst, engineer. Okay, you can find quality engineer, quality assurance. Okay, so these keywords are the same for the tester. Okay, these all keywords are the same for the tester, QA engineer, QA analyst, everything, tester, manual tester. So after completion of this one, you can go for directly go for the interview. Okay, and this is the manual testing part, and this is the one part. Okay, this is first part for the manual testing, and we are also covering here the project knowledge, how the manual testers are work in the IT industry, means how they are having the meetings, how they gather the requirement, how they, yeah, sorry, yeah, their roles and responsibilities, everything, team members, how the developer is work, how the tester we work. Okay, what is the product owner, product analyst, business analyst, everything we are going to cover, so that you will get the real knowledge about the IT industry in manual testing, and they will judge you have you really know the knowledge about this IT industry or not. So that's what I am going to provide everything here. So after completion of this one, you are ready for you can start the attending the interviews. Okay, and simultaneously, then after completion this one, you are starting for attending the interviews. Also I am covering the mocks in Sundays also. Then also we are going to start the automation testing. Yes, after the manual testing, resume build. Okay, I will going to build your resume for manual tester. Okay, and start interviews, and simultaneously we are learning the automation. Yeah, means you are starting your interviews, you are doing attending the interviews, and simultaneously we are learning. Okay, what learning? Automation testing. So that will be the very good. So you can simply say I did my manual testing work 2 to 3 years, and currently I am learning the automation. Okay, and once the automation is completed, then you can show them I have the 2 year experience in manual and 1 year experience in automation. And that is it, depends on you how you can judge yourself, how put your experience in manual, how you can put your experience in automation, how you know the how much knowledge you gain. Okay, and based on the practices, right? So in automation testing, what needed, so we are covering in automation testing, that is what Selenium with Java. Selenium WebDriver that is used. Okay, this is free tool for automation testing. Then the framework we are going to use, that is what TestNG framework. So we have the automation testing with Java and automation testing with Python also. But we are covering the Java, Selenium with Java. Okay, then TestNG framework. Okay, Maven project. Why we use the Maven project? Okay, that is we are going to also cover. Okay, industry, real-time industry use this Maven. Okay, that is Maven project with form. Okay, you can simply say we are having this Maven project. Okay, page object model. Form means page object model. Okay, so we'll cover. Don't worry. So in the one day we'll not get everything. Okay. Mm. So okay, yes, yes, bro. You can say the bro. Don't worry. Don't say the sir also. Okay. Actually, I was doing a lectureship for the last 12 years. And I'm so work in the IT industry. So and after that we are covering here the Jenkins process. So have you heard this word before? These words? Okay. Yeah, maybe. So Selenium is a free tool for automation testing, and this is only for the web application, not for the mobile application. Only for the web application. So test engine framework, definitely. If you know the Selenium, then definitely ask the question on the test engine. Okay, that's why that is very important. Yeah. Okay, don't worry, we are here. So Maven project also we use. Then we use here the process Jenkins process, continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, Jenkins process. So it's the automation server. Okay, you know the DevOps, DevOps engineer do this one. Okay, yeah, DevOps cycle, and the DevOps engineer do this one. But as a tester, we also know this one. Okay, as a tester, we are not going to write a code, but we should have to sense of the code, something to know. Yeah, some basic to know. Yeah, we are not going to write a hard code. Then GitHub, you can say GitHub. How you can pronounce this one? GitHub. Yeah, you can say GitHub. Jenkins, do you have heard this word Jenkins and GitHub? Dockers. Yeah. So some use the Dockers and some use the Jenkins. However, yeah, we use the Jenkins, and this is what version control system. GitHub. VCS version control system. Okay, so sometimes they use a Bitbucket or Gitbucket. Heroku. Okay, most of the things are there. Okay, so we are covering GitHub. Only one thing is important, not we have to learn everything. Okay, if you say that I know Java, I know Python, I know everything, so they will judge you and you don't have proper work. You have not worked properly in your organization. Okay, so because they follow the one cycle properly. If you say we are using only GitHub, that's it. Okay, we know only GitHub. We use the GitHub only. We can simply say because depends upon the organization. Okay, then 2 to 3 sessions I am going to cover in the BDD, that is behavior driven uh, development. Okay, behavior driven development, that is cucumber. Okay, so have you heard this word cucumber? Salad. Good, good. So okay, so the cucumber is tool framework. Yeah, it's a framework software. Okay, this software are uses for the software tool. We have yeah, but we know just a knowledge is not required the full and everything the knowledge. Basic knowledge that is required because I am going to take only the 2 session on this one. That's it. Because they will not ask if you work as a tester. So if you having the opportunity, you have to work only on the cucumber. So at least you should have to know the some basic knowledge of the cucumber or not. Yeah, so that's why we are giving the some basic knowledge, but most knowledge you require only Selenium with Java. Mandatory what? Selenium with Java is mandatory. GitHub, Cucumber, these are the optional thing. but you should have to know this one as a tester. So they will ask you, do you know Cucumber, like this way. Okay. So this two more session I am going to cover that one. And in India also, in this cost, they will take the more cost for this syllabus. For this content will take the more cost in the India, but I am taking the lowest cost because in my class only two or three students are available, and they will definitely get the job. They can ask their silly doubts anytime, because in the 50 to 60 students strength, they can't ask like this silly doubts, right? That's why only two or three students are there. They can ask anything for me. They can ask anything, any doubt, because in yeah, yeah, that's the thing. And in the 100 and 200 of the sessions, they hesitate to ask the doubt. If I ask the doubt, everyone is going to laughing. Hey, you don't know the basic concept, like this way. Yeah, that is the thing. So no problem. Okay. So now again, I'm getting the API testing with Postman tool. That is also very important. Postman. So we know the knowledge about the API testing. Okay, what is API, how we are going to do this one, everything we are going to cover, don't worry. So this is also the requirement. Sometimes they will ask manual testing and API testing. Okay, we requirement of the manual testing and API testing. Okay, so most cover here API testing, that is important. So everything, so these contents we are going to cover. So after learning this one, you can also uh, claim yourself as a 0 to 3 or 5 year experience in the automation. Then for manual, 0 to 5 year experience as a manual, because I am giving the quality content to you. Okay, quality contents. So definitely you will get very good knowledge for this one, right? So this is about manual testing concept, everything I am going to provide, and this is the automation testing concept. Okay, so also the 6 month of the internship completion certificate I can provide from my company level. 6 month internship certification, that mentioning that you have worked as a manual tester or tester in our organization for the 6 month online. Okay, virtually, remotely you have worked as a 6 month intern certificate. I can provide this additional, and whatever you are going to discuss this one, this sessions I am going to provide privately. Okay, that is for 1 year access for you, video access. So this session is a recording. Okay, starting 1 to 2 session are the public, and rest of the session will be going to be become a private. So on your email ID, I will share that one. Okay, and any doubt session, whatever you have the doubts, you can ask me anytime. So and though so my about me now I'm going to tell you. So this is my name, Gunwant Mankar. My first name is Gunwant and last name is Mankar. Okay, so I have here a 12-year plus experience and a 6 year experience in IT. I have worked with the MNCs like Tech Mahindra. Do you know Tech Mahindra? Tech Mahindra is IT MNC, Indian MNC. Infosys. Yeah, these are the Indian companies. Wipro, Indian MNC, L&T, Infotech. Yeah, so these are the Indian based MNC multinational company. TCS, Infosys, TCS, L&T, Wipro. Then HCL. Have you used a product of any HCL company? Okay, these are the Indian MNC. It's a Indian MNC, and here having the US MNC Capgemini. Okay, Google, Capgemini, Yabby, Facebook, Vertex, many more companies are there, multinational, UST, because I was also worked with the UST. UST, USA based company. I was work in this company UST, USTP. Okay, and also I was teaching to the engineering graduation students. This is about me, and I'm ISTQB certified. And I was working as a senior QA engineer. Okay, so ISTQB certified. Do you know what is ISTQB? Yeah, so international certification in testing. So you know the some ISTQB certification is required if you are work as a internationally. Yeah. No, knowledge is required and some fees required from based on the fees varies upon based on the country. Yeah, this is ISTQB. This is international certifications in certified tester foundation level. Okay, ISTQB international certification. Okay, so this is a body, international body that gives a certification for the tester, developer, and everything. So ISTQB only for the tester. So okay, that is very important. Means as a if you have the ISTQB certified, so no one can means left you. Okay, because you are ISTQB certified, you are internationally approved. Yeah, so after completion that one you can go for it. That is a additional benefit for getting the job. And you can check worldwide also because that is very important. Name check. So you can search here who's the successful candidate. Okay, from certified. You can I'm typing my name and checking whether I'm really certified or not. It's a yeah. So globally we have to check this one globally, and you can check here. Yeah, this is my name, and so certification body is UK and Ireland. Okay, this is British Computer Certification and CTFL certification there, and country of UK, and this certification recently I did one. Okay, so that is very important certification because that is a most additional benefit for getting the job. Yeah, so I'm ASTQB certified. Okay, okay, so this is about me, and you are slim, right? Okay, yeah, good. So, okay, so today we are going to wind up this today's session, and from tomorrow we are going to enter to start our starting sessions. Okay, these sessions we are going to start from basic. We are going to start from total basic. Okay, what is software, automation, everything, right?